Are you tired of trying hair hacks that just don't work? Or worse, damage your hair? Today, I'm sharing 7 dermatologist-approved, science-based hair care steps inspired by Korean beauty rituals. Follow this routine for just 1 week and watch your hair transform, step by step. If you want faster hair growth, your scalp needs a deep clean. Here's the Korean secret. Mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with 1 cup of warm water. Massage your scalp with a silicone brush for 5 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water. Why it works. Vinegar removes buildup and balances your scalp's pH. Rice water can strengthen your hair, but only if prepared correctly. Soak 1 cup of rice in water for 30 minutes. Strain and leave the water to ferment for 24 hours. Apply to your hair for 5 minutes, then rinse. Fermented rice water contains inositol, which repairs and strengthens hair. Heat styling can damage your hair. Here are methods to add volume without the need for heat. Homemade masks can deeply nourish your hair, if they're not too heavy. Here's a light yet powerful formula. 2 tablespoons of yogurt repairs with protein. 1 tablespoon of honey adds moisture. 1 teaspoon of olive oil improves elasticity. Leave it on for 30 minutes, then rinse. Most glycerin-based products don't work in humid weather. Korean beauty routines use aloe vera as a natural frizz fighter. Apply 1 tablespoon of pure aloe vera gel to your hair ends. Avoid applying to the roots. Cold water provides instant shine, but it's not a long-term solution. Instead, try the green tea rinse preferred by Korean experts. After shampooing, pour it from your roots to ends. Let it sit for 10 minutes, then rinse or leave it in. Proven results: 89% less frizz after just 1 use, 2 times more shine than silicone serums. When used twice weekly, hair strands become thicker. In Korea, this method is used by celebrities who color their hair to maintain color vibrancy. Did you know rosemary oil was proven in a 2022 study to boost hair growth by 30%? Here's how to use it. Mix 3 drops of rosemary oil with 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil. Massage into your scalp only. Leave it on for 30 minutes, then rinse. Use twice a week for best results. Try these 7 steps for just 1 week and you'll see the difference. Which tip helped you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more real beauty tips.